Okay, so I got somewhere between 50,000 and 70,000 worth of student loans deleted from my credit reports. And here I'm going to show you my Equifax report and show you that I did actually delete all my student loans in those amounts. So right now this is the home screen, okay? Now I'm going to go to a recent report and scroll down over here to installment accounts. And then I'm over here on installment accounts, and we're going to look for Mohella Department of Education. So here I have 4,283, 13,825, 4,449, 13,907. These are all, my student loans. 8,041, 4,410, 3,012, and 4,166. Now, this report was dated January 14, 2024. Now, what we want to do here is we actually want to go to Dispute Center, because Dispute Center has the most recent updates on your credit report. So you go to Dispute Center and you go to File a Dispute. Oh, here you go, File a Dispute. You authorize this, you continue over here. Deleted all my information. So right here, report date January 24, 2024. Then I'll go over to credit accounts. Amazing. Okay, so it's going to load all my credit accounts, which are my revolving accounts, and it's going to load my installment accounts. So over here, there's a section Open Accounts, Closed Accounts. You can see right here it says revolving. I don't care about that. You guys can spy on my revolving accounts later. So I'll go over to my installment accounts, and there you go. I only have one installment account from Navy Federal, and that's the end. So as you can see, I deleted somewhere between 50,000 to 70,000 worth of student loans from all of my credit reports, and I'm showing you this Equifax report. Now, you're saying, okay, well, great, so you deleted that, but, what information can you give me? Well, here's not exactly how I did it, but here's the concept behind how I did it. What you want to do is, as you saw, that each credit card has a servicer, and the same things apply for student loans. The government uses third parties. And what you need to do is you need to contact those third parties, and you need to ask their reporting requirements to the credit bureaus. So you saw on mine, it said Mohella. Now, the question I have for you is, does Mohella report to one credit bureau, two credit bureaus, three credit bureaus, or none of the above? Also, there are multiple servicers. So let's see what we can do here. If we go to bard.google.com. Hi, I'm Bard. Okay, so for student loans, how many servicers does, let me see, I'm doing this in real time. I guess it does. Servicers is not a word. Well, I'm going to use it anyway. Does the federal government use? As of today, the federal government uses 5 main servicers for federally owned student loans. Okay, so you got Aidvantage, which is called Maximus Education. Then you got Ed Financial. Then you got the one that I got deleted, which was called Mohella. Then you got another one called Nelnet. Then you got another one called Central Research. Okay. Then you got some information about what they do. So here is the tip. Do any or all of these servicers report to the credit bureaus? Yes or no? Is it possible for you to transfer from one servicer to another servicer? If yes, how? Is it then possible for you to ask that servicer the reporting requirements to the credit bureaus and find out if there's any loopholes for the reporting requirements? Yes or no? So, in summary, I got all my student loans reporting, okay? I still owe the money, but the reporting, which factors into my credit score has shot up because I removed all the reporting for my student loans, somewhere between $50,000 and $70,000. Anyways, love you guys.